Okay, so basically, after I took off the glass for the door, I took off this little plate right here, and that's where I'm going to be running the wire through, so it could come in from inside of the car all the way out to here. This spot is where I'm going to be putting the camera. All right, here you have it. Here's the camera installed. Here is the wire going in right here, and here is going to come out. Once back, I'm going to run it through all the way to the dash, and I'm going to show you in a minute where you're going to get the power for the turn signal. So basically, this pink wire right here is your turn signal wire. You put it in the tester, you see it going on and off. Now if I turn the blinkers off, turn it back on. So basically, this is the wire you want to tap into right here. Alright, so right now, I'm doing the passenger side already. This is where I'm going to wire through. Right here, then back in there, and then plug everything back how it goes. Alright, once again, we're here on the driver's side, passenger side, I'm sorry. I already plugged everything back in. I ran the wires. They come out through here, and then out of here. Once again, remember, it's this pink wire right here. This is what's going to send the signal. The pink wire, that's the turn signal. Now, if your Toyota, mine is a 2004 Toyota Tundra. If your Toyota doesn't bring all this harness right here, all these cables, always remember that one of these harness right here, most likely this one right here, gives you all those signal. This is for the right hand turn, one is for the red light, and another one is for the backup light. You just get yourself a simple tester and you could find out yourself which one is. But this main harness right here, all this harness, this is where you get your light signal from. Okay, so I have everything taken apart. Finally installed all 4 cameras. Right here, this is going to go underneath the dashboard, the center console actually. That's going to be there. Now, I had start to see, but I had to go through the firewall in order to finally get this cable through. So here's the hood, here's where the camera, I put the camera. I didn't put it lower because I have this monster bumper right here. So I'm still running the wire. See? Go all the way down through the firewall. I still have the screwdriver in there that I used to pry it open a little bit. Okay, so for the reverse camera, right here, from this plug, I'll move this right here, this plug, is this cable right here, which is the second pin, I'm sorry, and that's the reverse signal.